What's up, everybody? We're about to do a walk around. I'm out here in, what the hell is this? Lafayette, Indiana. It's a car show at Lafayette, Indiana today. We got all type of BassHead stuff. As you can see right here next to me, I got a TC Sounds basket just sitting in the passenger seat of this car, waiting for a fresh recone. I just had a lot of little tuning done with my car. Unfortunately, I didn't do too good in the SPL lanes today. I hit a 139.9, y'all. Had some issues going on with the tuning with my amp, and I had a blown tinsel lead on one of my coils that I had to fix too, so everything just got revamped. I basically started to retune all over, and then as I'm into it, on the way here, split the box at the top. One of the screws is actually, I didn't split the box, but one of the screws that went into the top actually just stripped its way out, and basically I got to redo some work on that box. It ain't much. It was my fault. You know, I drilled too close to the end and I shaved too much material away. But that's life. Well, anyway, we got other stuff going on. We got life here. Unfortunately, a broke windshield here. My buddy here. And we got other team ain't loud. Illinois division. Getting real busy. Getting down. A lot of them 2016 Slam stickers.
This motherfucker used to turn this shit up just go. Yeah, now you're scared to take your eye off that goddamn voltmeter. Like the rest of us, real world time now. Actually have voltage drop. That means you're making real power finding. You want to see some drop, you got to. If you got no drop, you better have badass electrical or you just ain't clamping the dick.
True. BassHead words right here.
But I didn't ever get to turn it up for very long.
Yeah. Yours is that goddamn old pissing you off.
Yeah.
Fuck that. Damn two-stroke trying to run an audio setup, dude.
Somebody said, you're driving two-stroke now, huh?
You mixed it a little rich this morning. It's smoking. Let's go.
He was talking about having alternator sizing issues.
Supposed to be 50 to 1.
Trying to get another one in there. Yeah.
That definitely sounds a lot better, man. I like it. Seem more durable too. They don't get stinky as quick. Like you can smell heat a little bit, but that's about it. Were they inverted before?
Yeah,
were they?
Loaded from the back.
They were loaded from the back though, right? I thought they looked different.
So it gave me a little more sealed
Yeah,
size.
it gave you a little more sealed size space. Probably not much, what, 0.2, 0.3? That's still nice though.
Sexy setup. We'll put these on 18 volts. What's going on? I ain't gonna know what to do.
Nice to meet you when you been. I can show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven, sin. Saw you there from that time. Oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake.